Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this Lutranstra 5K wildlife camera with a mobile phone transfer app. We have here a 5K 64 megapixel HD wildlife camera with a really crisp, nice picture and moving picture. As you can see, super liquid, super resolution, really good. And this is what the app is transferred directly to your smartphone. This is a camera system with a rechargeable 7,800 mAh battery. It's an infrared wildlife camera with 64 GB of SD card and a solar panel. Wow, this is a really nice package with motion sensor and night vision. IP66 proof, so you can use it outdoor. The Lutranstra 5K wildlife camera with mobile phone app comes with a battery. First, of course, we download the TrailCam Go app. TRAILCAM and go. Manually connect your phone to the integrated Wi-Fi of the TrailCam, or we connect it via Bluetooth. And then we can easily adjust the parameters and save pictures or videos from the trail camera to our phone via the app. To connect it off the Wi-Fi has a distance limit, of course, about 65 feet in the open area. If we have, of course, props, we should move not so far away. Then it will be operated really good. And we have a built-in rechargeable battery with 7,800 mAh. This Lutranstra wildlife camera has an integrated rechargeable lithium battery, which can be charged with a supplied solar panel. The accessories included a free 3.5 watt solar panel. Comes to us for recharging this by using the sunlight. With a sufficient sunlight, it is theoretically allows a year-round operation without charging. For longer periods of cloudy or rainy weather, the camera can be removed from the charging, and eliminates the need of a conventional alkaline batteries, which generally reduce the running cost of a purchased battery for users, of course. And of course, you can also use an USB-C cable to recharge the integrated battery, of course. The wildlife camera with a night vision motion detector and 5 million pixel color CMOS sensor that can recorrect and record 5K videos and 64 megapixel photos. It also has a 120 degrees wide angle lens that has a large field of view, so we can see clearly wild animals clearly during the day and the night time. View of the pictures of deer, raccoons, opossums, and of course people. Animals are playing. The videos are vivid in color and rich in detail for us to enjoy. The Lutranstra wildlife camera comes with a motion detector, night vision, which is updated its video format from AV to MP4, which makes the video editing much easier. The camera comes with an invisible night vision. It comes with a professional quality with real 5K Ultra HD sensor and 130 degrees wide angle of view. It delivers observation monitoring razor sharp photos and videos even in the dark, thanks to the 850 nm infrared night vision and the camouflage foil. Perfect for shy wild animals too. This all and more brings us this really good wildlife camera by Lutranstra. That's really cool. That operates really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done soon.